kailangan nating himayin naman this time, which is, that's our spill the tea number 2.
Oo.
Dahil ano nga tayo ngayon, it's special episode. So, tignan natin kung paano natin mahihimay lahat tong topic na to because hindi enough ang 5 minutes, 6 minutes to talk about it.
Oo nga eh. 'Di ba parang eto na yung kahit hindi man tayo lawyers, kahit hindi man tayo nasa loob ng legal system, bilang citizens of the Philippines, responsibility din nating intindihin ang mga
Yes.
batas para
Yeah.
naman hindi lang para maintindihin ang news, pero para
Yeah, yeah.
ma-protect din natin ang kabataan natin, sarili din natin.
Correct.
Kasi lahat ng mga batas dapat ginagawa yan para maintindihan natin. So ito yung attempt
Mm-mm.
natin.
Yeah.
Okay? So if ever we need improvement or we may have misinterpreted something, just let us know.
Yeah, I mean, ang ano natin, disclaimer lang natin dito is that this is how we actually understand the
Mm-mm.
juvenile justice because just like any other Filipinos na walang
We're,
access sa
we're
legal
trying to
advices.
put sense.
So, yes, let's see, no, based sa understanding natin. But yeah,
Mm-mm.
baka
Yeah.
naman bigyan mo kami ng overview, ate.
Okay, so yung una is yung legal framework nga as
Mm.
amended, no? Yung legal framework ng Juvenile Justice Law, which is the RA 9344 as amended by RA 10630. So yun nga, pag ages
Yeah,
below
below
15,
15.
below 15, they have absolute exemption from criminal liability. So yung ano dun is they cannot be jailed, they cannot be tried in criminal courts or given a criminal record even if they act with proven discernment and premeditation. So ito yung pinanghahawakan ni 14 years old.
Yes. Na
Oo.
ganun na ngayong nangyari.
Oo. Kaso, ang ages 15 to 18, so 15 and a day, exempt from criminal liability unless the
Mm.
state is able to prove that he or she acted with discernment. So ano ba talaga yung discernment? Ito yung
Mm.
cognitive ability or mental ability to fully grasp yung moral and legal consequences na alam niyang mali or alam niyang may
Yes.
mangyayaring mali at kung ano ang mangyayari sa kanya, yung legal consequences. 'Di ba?
Mm.
Under the law. So, paano na yan? Si 14 years old.
Ito, sa 14 years old naman, ito nga kasing sinasabi, no? Wala daw jail time. Di daw siya
Oo.
nakukulong. Although,
Sa regular jail.
sa regular jail, but what the
Oo.
law says is that hindi naman sila exempted from criminal liability. It
Mm.
doesn't mean zero jail time, no?
Mm.
Ang sinasabi natin dito is that may mandatory involuntary confinement for heinous crime, punishable by more than
Mm.
12 years for minors age 12.
12 to
So,
15, yun yung ano,
yan yung
heinous
12 to
crimes
15.
punishable.
Oo. So, may involuntary confinement at an intensive juvenile intervention and support center sa Bahay Pag-asa. Yun,
Yun
ito kasi
yun.
actually alam nila. Pero ang hindi nila alam siguro nila dito is mag-enjoy sila sa loob, magpapakabait sila. But it's not that, no? So, may 1 year rule din na the law dictates a minimum confinement period of 1 year
Ah,
na release is not automatic. A
okay.
multidisciplinary panel consisting of psychologists, social workers, doctors, they
Mm.
must certify that the minor is no longer a threat before a judge signs a release order.
Okay.
Yun
Okay.
yung ano doon. And then, may civil liability din ate.
So, sino magbabayad niyan?
Parents or legal guardians are held strictly responsible under the Civil Code to pay financial damages like burial costs, medical bills, moral damages dun sa families ng victim.
So, dun sa nangyari ngayon, so, posibleng magsasuffer ang
Mm.
parents nung
Yes.
dalawa.
Yes, yes.
Tama?
Ang ano lang
Mm-mm.
dyan ate is ikaw pag ano, ito lang kasi yung question lagi. Lalo na syempre dun sa family ng mga victims. Enough ba ito?
Kasi hindi mo na maibabalik yung...
Buhay.
Mhm.
Yun yung nagiging argument right now about this juvenile justice.
So, Mon, di ba I think meron naman yung case na binigay na example na the law
Mm.
can work, especially for yung mga older na children.
Actually, oo. Just like the Maguwad siblings, no?
Okay.
Na, I mean, yung case kasi na ito is that nag-adopt. yung dalawang, I mean yung parents
Oo.
ng isa pang bata while they have also two children. So
Mm-mm.
sobrang nagsiselos tong isa, so nakipag sabwatan siya sa isang parang
Kapatid niya.
jowa-jowaan niya, ganon, to kill. So ngayon nagsiselos siya sa buhay ng mga kapatid niya na since she's legally adopted.
Adopted.
At ang pangit kasi dito, DSWD nagbigay sa kanila.
Ng,
Dumaan sa DSWD yung legal adoption.
I
No, tapos
see.
nangyari kasi diyan, malaki rin tong test of the juvenile justice at the time. So,
Mm-mm.
pinatay niya nga yung mga siblings, nakipagplano, and they were talking sa group, sa chat din nila, yung magjowa, kung paano papatayin yung dalawa. And nabanggit din yung context ng juvenile justice. So, the parents actually, they don't like the juvenile justice. And up until now, they're really posting, even if na-convict yung dalawa, parang talagang nasaktan yung parents. Ang ayaw kasi nila dyan is how the 16-year-old na mga suspect were treated. Talagang pinoprotektahan ng DSWD kapag
I
confrontation, yung mga ganon,
see.
na parang kayo nga yung nagdala sa akin nung
Mm.
batang yan na pumatay
Mm-mm.
dyan. Wala na
Mm-mm.
yung mga anak ko, pinoprotektahan nyo pa. Parang ganun. Yun yung, kaya at some point, marami pa rin, yan yung kine-question ngayon. It started there and now, yan yung nagtitrigger ngayon ng conversation palalo. Lalo na't nagsasalita tong parents nung maguwad siblings.
Oo. Okay, so parang double-edged sword siya, no? It does show that the law works, but then at the same time, it does not also satisfy everyone.
Yes. Pero kung
So,
mapag-uusapan natin, does it really work?
oo.
Probably yes, kasi may napakulong. Pero yung question lang dyan,
Yeah.
paano yung below 15?
Na
Kaya nga,
parang may discernment naman.
oo. So, ngayon, may call, di ba?
Mhm. So yun nga, so yung nangyari recently, yung sa Tacloban, yung sa Cavite, yung parang license to kill loophole siya. 'Di ba
Yes.
na parang under the current law, under the current text, because they're 14 years old, yung si
Mm.
Tacloban, yung isa sa shooter, so he cannot be prosecuted. He cannot, oo,
Mm.
despite na we saw evidence, apparent
Mm.
alleged evidence na plinan nila yung mass shooting. Kaso 14
Yeah.
siya eh. So hindi siya pwedeng ma-prosecute. So parang yung mga critics are saying, why are we putting an absolute age? Hindi ba pwedeng imbis na age, ability to discern? Yung
Yes.
ganon. Oo.
Yes. May mga ganun ngang conversation.